beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito po ang inyong lingkod, Reso Tarot Channel, para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Maraming salamat po sa kakataba at overwhelming na suporta sa pagbabalik ng inyong lingkod. I'm so happy na napakarami pa rin po ang loyal at talagang nag-i-stay po sa ating channel simula't simula. Although medyo nawala po ng konting panahon ng inyong lingkod, but still here you are. Nakakataba sa puso pong suporta. Maraming salamat. And wag na po nating patagalin pang ating reading po ngayon ay general reading. Energy for the year 2026 natin mga pinakamamahal na nasa sign ng Leo. Okay? And kapag hindi po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po. Maraming laking tulong po ito para sa ating channel para lumago at mas marami pa po tayong matulungan. At the same time, mag-comment po kayo kapag naka-resonate kayo. And please do like and share na rin po sa mga kaibigan nyo po ang ating channel at mga video na inyo napapanood. Pag sinabi po natin general reading, it means na hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Takes what resonates only for you. And pwede nyo pong hanapin ang inyong energy sa ibang reading po natin. Okay? Sige. Reading for Leo sa taon lang 2026. Sa pang shuffle. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Happy New Year po. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and you're happy. Maraming salamat po. And magtutuloy-tuloy na po ito ating reading. And I hope you will stay until the end hanggang sa mas marami pang taon na ating pagsasamahan. Okay? Kunin na natin Leo ang 10 baraha. Spirit, Clever, Spirit Guides, Angels, and Sisters. Give me 10 cards for Leo General Reading for 2026. Ulitin ko po, hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat po sa inyo dahil sa overwhelming nakakatawa sa puso na suporta. Lalo na po, nakakalimutan ko pong i-shoutout ang ating mga masisipag, pinakamamahal nating avid viewers ng mga overseas Filipino workers. Anong panig po kayo ng mundo naroroon. I salute you. Maraming salamat po. At hinahangaan ko po kayo. And hindi po madali ang lahat. At maraming salamat po sa inyong sakripisyo po. And sa support rin po sa ating channel. Okay, meron na po tayong 5, last 5 cards po. And naranasan ko po yan because I just went home. Kakauwi ko lang po. And galing po ako sa ibang bansa. I came from Australia. And I chose na mag-settle na po sa Pilipinas to focus dito po sa gift or sa venture na to sapagkat hindi ko po matiis na alam ko napakarami po sa inyo ang sabik na nag-aantay, naghahanap po sa atin. Sige po, kompleto ng ating 10 baraha. Leo for your general reading sa 2026. Tignan natin, huwag natin patagalin pa. Okay? Let's begin with your first card, Knight of Pentacles. Okay? This is a very beautiful opening card. The energy that I can feel here, Leo, is this 2026 is more on fruits or parang dito ka na mag-harvest ng kung ano man itong mga bagay na tinanim mo for the past years, mga nakaraang panahon. This is a harvest season. Tingnan mo, uuwi ka, may dala ka ng pentacles. It means that is at achievement, success. It's more on, sabi ko nga, harvesting of the things that you planted for a long time. And you deserve it, Leo. You are ruled by the sun. It means you are guided with wisdom. Talagang sinunod mo ang intuition mo, nakinig ka sa kutob at the same time sinamahan mo ng sipag. That's why 2026 magtutuloy-tuloy ito. Lalong-lalo na puro positibo naman ang iyong tatamasain. With this Knight of Pentacles, look at the color. It's color of joy, happiness ang mararanasan mo. Kung mga nakaraang taon, makaraang buwan ay more on doubts and confusions, but 2026 will be very clear for you kung ano man ang nais mong gawin. But congratulations in advance because it will be a very fruitful year for you, Leo. Okay? Next, pangalawa. 5 of Swords. This is a reminder for you, Leo. By 2026, the energy that I can feel here is that you are being reminded by the universe to be cautious para maging maingat sa mga taong pakikasamahan mo sa paligid. Maybe you're trusting too much. Ang laki ng tiwala mo sa mga tao sa paligid mo, but you need to be careful. You need to study them or you need to observe. Okay, mahirap na sa panahon ngayon magtitiwala. Lalong na 2026. It's the year of the fire horse. It means talagang very fiery, mag-aalab yung emotion. And hindi mo to pwedeng sabayan ng emotion din. And that's why it's very important, like, you need to settle down or you need to be calm at all times. And by doing it, you need to be cautious, maging maingat talaga. Kung feeling mo may kakilala ka na parang hindi na maganda, ang naidudulot, wala naman siyang good influence sa'yo, you need to slowly cut ties with that person, and kailangan mo talagang layuan sapagkat hindi maganda ang may tutulong niya sa'yo, okay? Next is pangatlo. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Look at that, 6 of Pentacles. Pentacles money na naman. It means talagang 2026 layo ay uulan kayo ng pera. But kaagapay ng pag-ulan ng biyaya sa inyo, you are also being reminded by the universe to at least do your part by sharing to others. Okay? No man is island niya. But I know you have a heart of, Leo has a heart of being generous. Mapagbigay kayo, matulungin kayo, and 2026 you're being reminded again to continue doing good to others, especially by sharing a little part of your blessing. Okay? Talagang sabi ko nga, ang layo isa sa masaswerteng sign because you are being ruled by the sun. Talagang guided kayo, maliwanag lang ang isip nyo. Talagang you're always full of confidence. Mga bibo yung mga layo. Alam mo parang if you go inside the room, kayo yung unang mapapansin because you radiate like a sun. You're radiating, may radiation, nag-radiate ka ng positivity, nagbibigay ka ng liwanag. And with that, kung blessed ka ng ganyan, layo isa ka sa blessed na ganyan, you need also to do your part by sharing to others what you have. Okay? Hindi na kailangan malaki. At least, meron kang itinutulong. Number 5 is the Hermit card. Okay? 2026 is a season of parang, kung mga nakaraang taon daw, Leo, parang more on labas-labas ka, more on travel, more on show off, parang more on pinapakita mo. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko nga, kung pag pumunta ka sa isang crowd, mapapansin ka. And also, you are manifesting it by showing it na talagang nananamit ka na maganda, pupunta ka kung saan-saan, pinapost mo to, lagi sino-show off mo, you always have an update with your life sa madlang people. This 2026, this Hermit card is showing the energy that I can feel there is parang maglalaylo ka. Yes, maybe you have plans, you have activities na mangyayari, but hindi mo na ito masyadong i-show off sa maraming tao. It's because maybe nasa hermit mode ka naman, parang magkukulong ka na lang muna sa kwarto, or maybe not literally na hermit, but you'll still be active sa labas, sa community, but hindi mo na ito masyadong i-show off or parang ipapakita sa iba. Parang ikaw na lang muna, you will be keeping it yourself or to only few people na pinagkakatiwalaan mo or you truly values or love. Okay? Panglima. Oh, 10 of Wands. Okay. Leo 2026 is that actually not only 2026. I can feel it this last quarter of 2025. Medyo naramdam mo na to. There's an emptiness. Parang mayroong kalungkutan. Parang mayroong discontentment kang naranasan lately. And by 2026, magmamanifest pa rin ito. You know, what is it? Okay, alam mo, ikaw nakakaalam kung ano yung bagay na yan na parang hinahanap mo, na parang pupuno sa puso mo kung ano ba talaga yan. But I know, because you are, sabi ko nga, you are ruled by the sun. You will be given by with the wisdom. Bibigyan ka ng universe ng wisdom how to deal it, how to fix it, that thing, para makapag-decide ka na, okay, eto na, sure na ako dito. Okay, tatanggalin ko na to, ikakat ko na to, ito naman sisimulan ko, I will be doing it. Okay, but 2026, there will still be a little bit of confusion, doubt, sa mga bagay, sa mga decision na gagawin mo. But you will be guided by the universe with the signs na hihingin mo and about the decision making. Okay? That's the first five cards natin sa first row, Leo. Tingnan natin sa yung pang-anim na bara, second row na tayo. Ooh, 4 of Pentacles, Leo. What is it? You need also to learn how to balance your finances. For the past years, 2 years, 3 years ago, maybe parang, yes, you're very lucky, may mga pumapasok na pera, but same time, kung gaano kalaki ang pumapasok na blessings, ganoon din kalaki ang expenses mo. You're spending it on things that, yes, wala masama doon, that makes you happy, traveling, food, dress, or whatever, clothing. But this time, 2026, sabi ko nga, isa sa magiging problema nitong taong 2026 is pera eh. Because this fire horse brings too much fire at the same time sa chart ngayon ng year of the horse walang water, so hindi masyadong magiging balance. That's why not only for you Leo but all of the signs I am reminding to be extra cautious or to be wise in handling their finances or their money. Okay? Wag muna masyado, kung pwede ipon-ipon na lang muna, saka next year na lang muna gumastos naman kapag sapat na or sobra na. But this 2026 is a no-no to be a compulsive or impulsive buyer or whatsoever. Baka may makita ka na gusto mong bili agad, pagdating di mo naman nagagamit. Parang nagustuhan mo lang. Now, stop that Leo. Look at this. 9 of Cups. You have proven too much. Marami sa inyo, marami nang achieve sa bagay, but still you're searching for more, and that's a good thing. Walang masama dyan kung gusto mo pang mag-aral, gusto mo pang mag-masters, gusto mo pang pa-promote, walang masama dyan. 2026, if you are planning with that thing, you are guaranteed of success. Kung gusto mo, kung ano pang gusto mo mag-elevate pa ng position mo or whatsoever you are planning to open a new branch, to move to other places, bili ng bago bahay or kung ano man, you are guaranteed of that. With this 9 of Cups, it shows that you are really one of very few rare zodiac signs that are born to be lucky. Okay, kahit effortless na hindi ka na masyadong gumalaw or kumilos, you're still blessed, or the blessings and abundance is coming on your way. And with this 9 of Cups, it just shows na talagang 2026 ay continuous pa rin. But it's up to you nga. Sabi ko nga, eto may reminder pa rin sa'yo to balance everything, to be cautious sa mga decision, especially may kinalaman sa pera. Ooh, Queen of Cups. Look, pag galing sa 9 of Cups, here you are. Managerial position, elevation, promotion, or something na sabi ko nga, aside from that, you are radiating positivity because you are ruled by the sun. At the same time, magiging madali ang lahat kung gugustuhin mo na maggawa ng mga bagay na may kinalaman sa pagpapaangat na yung posisyon. Queen of Cups represents elevation, hierarchy. At the same time, what is this? Leading a flock, para magiging leader. It's all about management. Okay, if you have that on your mind, Leo, please comment, nakarasanig kayo. If someone is planning here, na nagpaplano para magpa-promote or any kind of thing na talagang medyo mag-move ang position, this year is a very good year for you. Claim it with that Queen of Cups card. Okay? 9 card. Okay? Are you still there? Okay lang ba kayo? 2 of Cups. Oh, look at that. You will be busy. 2026, there will be new offers for you. There will be a lot of transactions that will be happening. At the same time, Leo, mabibisi kayo sa mga bagay-bagay na dati you are not expecting, na dati parang binabaliwala mo lang. In-offer na to sa'yo before, but parang you took it for granted. But now talagang it's because if the universe will make a way para sa'yo to, talagang gagawa siya ng paraan, babalik niya na naman, i-offer na naman sa'yo. And you will be surprised na talagang, okay, siguro, mapapaisip ka na, siguro para sa akin talaga to. Kasi dati dinecline ko na to. Ngayon, ito na naman, binabalik na naman. Ino-offer na naman sa akin. Bakit kaya? Okay? You will be thinking of that. But 2026, if there's an offer that will be coming in your way, grab it. Because it will be a big help. But still, extra caution or pagiging maingat pa rin. You need to also to test the waters first. Check the both sides of the coin kung talagang saan ka mas makakatulong ba ito, kung alin ba ang talagang saan ito beneficial for you. But this is a good problem for you, Leo, and i-grab mo na ito. Offers, there will be a lot of offers, but still you need to be cautious or pag-aralan ang mga bagay-bagay na papasukin. Okay? 10th and last card for your general reading 2026. Again, kapag hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe po kayo. Kapag nakarasinit po kayo, mag-comment po kayo. Pinagbabasa po ako ng comments at the same time nagre-reply. And please do like and share na rin po ng ating channel at mga videos. Now, for your 10th and last card, tapusin natin, Leo, ang yung 2026 general reading with the Empress card. Beauty. Given yan. Ang mga Leo ay magagandang itsura, pogi, magaganda. At the same time, 2026, magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-aayos mo sa sa iyong sarili. There are some Leo na magpapa-retoke, magpapa-opera, enhancement with their beauty, mas magiging active yung pagiging fashionista, sasabay sa uso, whatsoever. Talagang this Empress card also shows that by 2026, Leo, you will be shining. Talagang magtutuloy-tuloy itong pag-catch mo ng attention, pagiging star of the crowd. And Leo, hindi na bago to para sa'yo because you are born with it. You are ruled by the sun, brings positivity, radiates positivity. Mga joker kayo kapag nandyan kayo sa isang pagsasama, tipon-tipon, you are being parang ikaw yung nag-lead, ikaw yung nagdadala, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng kasayahan. And 2026, magtutuloy-tuloy ito with this Empress card. And with that thing, malaki ang tutulong nito sa kapwa mo. But since lumabas yung Hermit, you will be sharing it with just a few important people na kayo-kayo na lang muna, hindi na tulad ng dati na parang masyadong na-expose ka. Kumbaga parang lahat ng tao ay plinis mo, pinuntahan mo, minute mo, lahat pinakita mo, bawat galaw mo. But this time, Leo, with this Empress card, you will be showing still your beauty, your beauty of your heart, but still sa'yo na lang muna at sa mga ilang tao na lang muna sa iyong circle. And that is a very good trait for you, Leo. Congratulations. And I will summarize your reading. Sabi ko nga, 2026, you're still full of abundance, but sabi ko, may extra caution dito to balance everything, especially sa finances. May mga offer din parating, but kayo nang bahala dyan, Leo, kung paano nyo i-deal yan. Kayang-kaya nyo na yan because you are very intelligent person. At the same time, meron tayong nasa itong 5 of Cups ay parang solitary moment, parang magbumuni 2026 ay more on ikaw na lang muna, muni-muni, self-love na lang muna, hindi na tulad ng dati na more on show off ka, pinapakita mo lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo sa madlang people. But all in all, it was a very beautiful reading, Leo. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, pagmamahal, pagsama sa akin ngayon. I am praying na maraming nasa sign ng Leo ang makapanab nito, at hindi ko alam kung paano kayo papasalamatan sa overwhelming na response niyo sa pagbabalik ng yung lingkod. Although matagal na panahon na hindi tayo nakapag-reading, but here you are. Talagang andyan pa rin kayo, hindi niyo ako iniwan. Maraming salamat. You're always in my prayers, mga pinamahal kong soulmates. Saan man kayo naroroon, ano man ginagawa niyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.